Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time you are coming across my video, I want you to click on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first person to be notified if whenever I drop a video on this channel. So first of all, before I go to anything, now I want to thank those of my subscribers that have been with me all this while, those that have been liking some of my videos, and those that are still coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate your encouragement, and I will say thank you for that. So but I want you to do more by subscribing and also liking, making more comments on this video. Wherever you find it difficult in the forex market, I want you to drop it in the comment section, and in my next video I will try as much as possible to make sure I cover it up. So on today's video I'll be sharing with you the secret way of to trade code profitably by growing your small account to a bigger account. So I want you to do me a favor by watching this video to the end so that you can actually understand what I'm going to be showing you on this video. In my previous video I made a video on GBP/JPY, the secret strategy you can use actually in profiting in the forex market trading GBP/JPY. And for those of you that have been following me for a long time, you realize that I mostly trade GBP/JPY most times, and sometimes I go into gold, but GBP/JPY is just the best pair, is my pair, is the pair I focused on. But because of my subscribers and just for educational purpose, I actually decided that I should layer into other pairs so that for those of you that are not actually trading one currency, so that you can actually comprehend what I'm actually showing. So now on gold, we are looking at price trending to the upside because price have already broken our trend line to the upside. So this was a downward trend line and an upward trend line. So and this pattern, as we all know, this is a pendant pattern. This is my upward trend line, and this was a downward trend line. So after identifying the trend of the market, we normally go to a 4-hour time frame. Now in a 4-hour time frame, we draw out our levels. You can see there are three major levels here where price makes some reaction to. You can see below here there was some reaction at this point, and there was some reaction at this point, and there was a reaction at this point. So now after knowing this, you go to a 1-hour time frame. Now in a 1-hour time frame, what are you looking at for? In a 1-hour time frame, you can see this is a channel line that price broke out from this channel, price broke out from this channel, and this is like a retest to this channel. So if you might ask, what is this lines? This line is just like it's a session break. So this is a session break, and it's I use it to actually differentiate between it today and the next day. So and I also make sure I trade accordingly. So if you look very closely, you see that price has been consolidating around this level, and this is just another day break. Price have broken to the next day, which is today, and we are looking at price coming back to this level to react. Now how did we get this level? So this was how I get this level, was because this was the previous low before the price closed, and the next day price opened, and this previous low have not been mitigated, so I actually left it open. So on the next day price went, and this was the previous high, and price when broke up this previous high, came back and retest and buys to the upside. Now price created a high here, which was the previous high of this day, and price break up to the next day, and I was waiting for actually for price to come to this level, but price did not come to this level. Price actually reacted to this point, and price break down to the downside and created a low here. So this was the previous low price created before price opened to the next day. So I'm waiting for either price should come to this level, react to this level, and I'll enter for a buy to the upside, or price should break this level, come to this level, react to this level, or price should break this level or react to this level. So I'm looking at these two levels. So it's either price react to this level, break this level, retest, and I buy to the upside, or price gets to this level, bounce back and shows me a confirmation, then I will set to the downside. So this is how I actually make this trade. So this is like a break of structure. Price broke structure to the upside, and price came back and created some. This was a change of character. Price changed character. So price normally using price action, price is supposed to come back to this level to react to this level before dropping to the downside, but as the case may be, it's all probability. You can never tell what the market might do. So the market actually breaks below this psychological level, or this key level, and now price is retesting. So I'm looking at this price coming down to this level, and if price gets to this level, I'll be looking out for some buy. Why? Because this level is a very strong support level. It's a very strong support level. Why? Because because there was a reaction at this point, there's 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 a reaction. So probably there should be a reaction at this point when price gets here. So this is just London breaking. So I'm waiting for price to actually get to this level, give me a confirmation, then I'll be entering for a buy. Just very simple. You see, you just have to track your levels accordingly. And I told you, your support and resistance becomes stronger when there are multiple reactions on that level, and your trend line becomes stronger when there are multiple reactions at this level. So this is actually what I'm looking at for here on gold. You can see, very easy and very sweet. I've already drawn out my line. These are my key levels. I've showed you how to draw out key levels from a 4-hour time frame, and I've also shown you how to draw out your trend line. Make sure your trend line make multiple touches, and from the upward to the downward. So I actually created this channel line because I see this is a channel line. It's not just a standalone trend line. So this is a channel line which price actually broke below this channel line. Price is supposed to retest here and break down. So guys, I believe you actually get what I'm trying to show you on gold setup today. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. You all know that gold is a volatile market, so whenever you trade in gold, you have to trade with caution. You have to trade with caution. Gold is a very volatile market. The price push very faster than any other pairs. So I believe you actually gain something. Anyway, you're finding it difficult, I want you to drop it in the comment section, and in my next video I'll try to make sure I fix this up. Thanks for watching.